Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify house listings with Realtor.com, full guide step by step clearly. To verify house listings on Realtor.com, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to Realtor.com. On the home page, you will find a search bar. Enter your desired location for the house listings. Click the search icon to view the available properties. Browse through the list of homes that appear. Select a listing that interests you for more details. Review the property overview, which includes the price, number of bedrooms, and square footage. Scroll down to find additional property details, such as amenities and features. Look for the status section to determine if the listing is for sale, pending, or sold. Check the listing date to see how recent the information is. To verify the listing further, view the street address. Copy the address and search it on Google or another map service. Compare the information on Realtor.com with what you find on the map. Look for recent photos or videos of the home to confirm its condition. If available, read the reviews from other users to gain more insights. If the property is listed with a realtor, note their contact information. Reach out to the realtor for any additional questions about the listing. Always check for any recent updates or changes on the listing page. Once you have gathered all the information, make an informed decision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.